Hello children, so this is the last maths lesson for this week. Well done for working through the first two maths lessons. Let's have a go at today's. So today we're going to be learning about part-whole models for numbers to 50. Part-whole models. We have done a little bit of learning using part-whole models at school, so hopefully that will help you. Okay, so if you don't have your things ready for today's learning, go ahead and pause this video and press play when you are ready to start. Okay, now that you're ready, let's start year one. So here is a diagram, a picture of a part-whole model. Okay, now let's have a little look at it. We have got a circle at the top and two circles at the bottom. Okay, these two circles are not joined together. Okay, look, otherwise there would be a line here. So where is the circle being joined to? That's right, look at the line. It's going to this top circle here. So we can draw arrows to help us remember which way they're pointing to. Okay, so this is the whole answer, and then these two is where we would draw or write the different parts that makes the whole. Okay, these are the parts and that would be the whole. It's a little bit like if you imagine playing with Lego and you've got two Lego pieces. When you put them together, it makes one piece. Okay, so you've got two, and when you put them together, it makes one, the whole, the answer. So on this part-whole model, we have got 16. 16. Okay, what I would like you to do is copy this part-whole model. So draw a circle. Okay, write 16. And then draw two lines coming away like this. And then two circles here so that you're copying what's on here. Okay, pause the video to draw your part-whole model. Okay then children, so now we're ready to start. So the first thing we do is label our tens and ones. So how many ones do we need to draw for the tens? We need to draw one. Would I be correct to draw it here? No, I wouldn't, because actually we can imagine that this line is going to the ones and this line here is going to the tens. Okay, so we have got 1 10. So in this line, in this circle, I'm going to draw 1 10. Okay, and for the ones we have got 6, so I can draw 6 ones in this circle. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and now we're ready to fill out how many tens and ones there are. So how many tens? We can see 1 10. How many ones? Let's just count, just double check. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 ones. 1 10 and 6 ones equals 16. And that was our total to start with. Okay, so if you found it a little bit confusing, what you can do is go back to the start to watch me explain that again. Okay, if you are happy to carry on, then please can you draw a part-whole model with 34 as the total. So you can pause the video to draw the part-whole model, draw your tens and ones, and then write down your numbers here and how much it equals to. Pause the video and off you go. Okay children, let's see how you got on. So 34 we can label with your tens and ones. We can, if you want to, draw your lines, okay, to help you. And then go ahead and draw your tens and ones. So in your tens, we have got 3. So we need to draw 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. And in the ones column, we have got 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you draw those correctly? Did you draw your tens looking taller than your ones? Okay, just make sure that they look different in size. And then we can go ahead and fill out the missing spaces here. So we've got 1, 2, 3. So we've got 3 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. And the total we made is 34. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. And that was our number to start with. That's a good way to check whether we've done it correctly, that our answer at the end is the same as the number in the total part of the model. Okay, well done. Let's move on. So I would like you to pause the video to have a go at this one. Off you go. Okay, children, so let's label tens and ones. And off we go. We've got 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. And in the ones column, it says 0. So did you draw any ones? That's correct. You didn't need to draw any ones. It says 0. So we'll leave that like that. Okay? So we've got 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. And how many ones? Well, there isn't any because there were 0. Okay? And then that would make 10, 20, 30 and no ones. So the answer is 30. And we can double check that we've got the same numbers. Well done if you got that correct. Okay, so we've got one more. Please pause the video to have a go. Okay, so let's label our tens and ones. I'm going to draw my lines to help me. And we have got 4 tens this time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we've got 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many tens do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have got 4 tens. And how many ones do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. And it is the same. So we know that we've done it correctly. Okay, well done. So for the last part of this lesson, I want to know what is missing. Okay, so this is going to be a little bit trickier because if you look, the total circle it's at the top here, but it's not at the top in this one, and it's not at the top in this one. Okay, but what we can do is look at the circles with the lines coming out from them, and we can also see where the total numbers are. So for this one, 35, okay, we can take the line to the ones, and then this one to the tens, because we can see they are tens and ones. Okay, so for 54, these you can see are the tens, and then this line for the ones. And then over here, 33, this one is like the ones that we've done already, and then these are your tens for your tens. Okay, so what is missing? When you pause the video, I would like you to have a look at the tens and ones for each number and see if there are the correct number of tens and the correct number of ones. If you think there is a 10 or a 1 missing, can you draw what it should be? What should there be there? Okay, pause the video and off you go. Okay, children. So, in the tens, it says 3. So over here, there should be 3 tens. Are there 3 tens? 1, 2. Oh dear, so what was missing? That's right. There was a 10 missing. We can draw that in. Well done. And then in the ones, it says there are 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this part was correct. Well done if you got that correct too. Okay, let's go on to 33. So in the tens, there should be 3. It says 3. 1, 2. There are only 2 tens. Did you spot that? Well done if you did. Let's draw in the third 10. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. And in the ones, there should be 3. 1, 2, 3. There was nothing missing there. Okay. And last one here is 54. So in the tens column, there should be 5 tens. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh dear. Did you manage to spot that? Let's check now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. And then in the ones, we should have 4 ones. But if I look, there are no ones at all. So did you spot that? Did you draw in 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. Well done, everybody. So we've come to the end of the video and the end of today's lesson. So well done for having a go. And what you could do is think of your own numbers and keep practicing. Draw them out using your tens and ones. You could also practice writing numbers in words. Okay. And you can also practice counting in your 2s, your 5s and your 10s. Okay then. Thank you very much, everybody. Bye-bye.